Hi guys! It's almost weekend and lalabas kami ngayon para mag-jogging. Siyempre, bago tayo ma-expose sa sun, don't forget to wear your sunscreen. Ito, I'm using Miss P Beauty Premium Intense Sunscreen. It has SPF 50+++. No white cast, very lightweight, and meron siyang instant glass skin finish. So, pwede siya sa 15 years old and above. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng magandang sunscreen, you should try this one. Hindi siya sticky and very lightweight. And aside from that, meron siyang fast-absorbing formulation. And yung pinaka-importante, it's FDA approved and it's 200 pesos only. Para makita ninyo, I'll show you paano siya ina-apply para makita nyo yung instant glass skin finish. So, nakapag-wash na ako ng face and nakapag-apply na rin ako ng skincare and moisturizer. So, last itong sunscreen. So, ganyan yung consistency niya. So, lalagay ko mo lang dito sa may other side para makita nyo yung effect. So, lagyan nyo yung buong part ng face ninyo. Ayan. As you can see, para siyang nag-lighten and meron siyang instant glass skin finish. Ito yung may sunscreen and ito yung wala. Ayan. O, diba? Nag-lighten yung skin ko. Meron siyang niacinamide. So, mag-help siyang mag-lighten din yung dark spots ninyo sa face. So, tatapusin ko lang yung buong face ko and para makita nyo yung finish sa buong face. Yan, lagyan nyo rin yung sa neck ninyo. So, yan, nalagyan ko yung buong face ko ng sunscreen. I'm using Miss P Beauty Premium Intense Sunscreen. So, if you wanna try this one, you can check the yellow basket and try nyo na. So, yun lang guys. Have a nice day and bye!